Assalamu alaikum. It's here Arush Nawaz from Vice President Gujarat Women Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and I want to ask, how was your experience today?
Hello, thank you very much for the invitation, first of all. And actually, I'm very honored to be here in this exhibition. It's it's all covered different areas. I saw many women, many areas like educational, industrial, and also handicrafts. So I appreciate it, and also I hope it will grow, because I think this is your first expo. And for the chamber also, it's the first birthday of the chamber. So I congratulate you for all your good effort for especially women. And it will rise and shine, I'm sure, more and more each year. So, बहुत शुक्रिया. Okay, thank you very much. Pak News ज़बरदस्त है.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज.